how can here's what's happening for me in the car. I've had an accident. I have a little bit of my nervous system is on high alert and is hypervigilant. And the things that help me are when we slow down with, 20 feet between us and another car. Like, I'd get very specific. Like, here are the things that I've learned that I actually need in order to help myself settle. And I would make it, for me, I would just make it about me. I would just say, listen, I know that not everybody would need this. I know you don't need this. And I know that it's not like what everybody would want. It's not the definition of safe driving. But for me to feel safe and relaxed, these are the things that would really help me. And I'm wondering how much of you is willing to help me with that and how much of you is not willing. And tell me about that. Because my deep intention is not to criticize your driving. I think if I had a different nervous system right now, your driving would be fine. You haven't had accidents. You seem to do fine. That's not the conversation I'm trying to have. I'm really not trying to criticize you. I'm actually trying to tell you about me. I'm not trying to tell you about you. And find out if he can at least join you in that outside of the situation. And if there are any specific agreements he could make, like it could just be something like, could we slow down? Would you be willing, just when I'm in the car, not because you're a bad driver, but because my nervous system needs it? Could you do the following things? They would really help. They would be such a huge gift to me. And if he says no, then I would say, can you tell me what's getting in the way of agreeing? What is so important to you that this is something that is just a big no for you? Is it that you absolutely just don't want to have to think about anything except your driving? You don't want to become more aware of it. You don't want to, tell me more about the no. I want to understand it. Because if I don't understand it, I'm going to take it personally and I'm going to think you just don't care about me. Is that true? And if that's not true, then I need to understand what's driving the no.